Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS, then immediately remove any case or screen protector that could block the sensor. Once done, wash and dry the finger you'll use and restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. Open Settings, go to Touch ID and Passcode, and confirm fingerprints exist. If none, add one now. These fast, direct steps eliminate the most common software and obstruction causes before deeper troubleshooting. Next, remove any problematic fingerprints and re-enroll 2 to 3 prints, capturing both the center and the edges of your finger so recognition handles different angles. Make sure to toggle Touch ID functions, iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and App Store, off and back on to refresh system permissions. If recognition still fails, try signing out of iCloud and back in, then consider restoring from a recent backup. As a last resort, use DFU mode to reinstall firmware. This targets deep software corruption. Finally, evaluate hardware. Look for cracks, loose home button movement, or liquid contact indicators. Any sign of damage can break Touch ID. If the button or sensor was replaced by a third party, know that Touch ID requires module pairing and likely won't work without Apple-authorized service. Try registering different fingers to rule out skin issues. If everything else fails, back up your device and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. One troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, swap fingers and test after 24 hours of device, rest to isolate thermal or moisture effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.